F5OS Backup and Restore. In this video, you'll see how to back up the F5OS configuration using the GUI and restore the configuration using the CLI. To begin, open a browser to the management IP address. Access the system with admin credentials. Navigate to System Settings, Configuration Backup. Select Create and name the backup. Select Create again. Select Dismiss. The backup file has been created. Backup files should be stored off system. You now have a backup of the system configuration you can restore if needed. To back up configuration for tenants, access each tenant and back up the configuration using the method recommended for that tenant. Restore a system configuration from the CLI. Use a console connection because this procedure requires a system reboot. If you use the management network, you will be disconnected when you issue the reboot command. Issue the su admin command to enter the management CLI. Enter a config to enter config mode. Enter the command shown to load the configuration file, named base config. Answer yes to proceed. Reboot the system. Answer yes to proceed. After the reboot completes, access the system with admin credentials. This completes the F5OS system restore procedure. You can restore any saved tenant configuration using the recommended method.